Our topic for today is all about divisibility rule. Numbers divisible by 2. We have 5 examples. Now, how to determine which of the following is divisible by 2? Okay, now this is our definition. Numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are divisible by 2. Tingnan natin ang ating given. Ang nagtatapos sa digit na 2, 4, 6, 8 including 0 ay divisible pala sa 2. Sa number 1, 345. Ang ating last digit dito ay 5. 5 ang ating last digit, so meaning to say, number 1 is not divisible by 2. Okay, next, sagutan na natin ang given number 2. 6,580. Ang ating ones digit or last digit ay 0. Correct. Therefore, given number 2 is divisible by 2. Next, given number 3, 1,769. Ang ating ones digit ay 9. Divisible ba siya o hindi? Correct. This is not divisible by 2. Now, how about given number 4, 3,242. Ang ating last digit or ones digit ay 2. Okay, the correct answer is yes. This is divisible by 2. Next, given number 5, 7,653. Ang ating ones digit or last digit is 3. Okay, the correct answer is X. That is no. That is not divisible by 2. This is our summary. Okay, now number 1, 345 is not divisible by 2. Number 2, 6,580 is divisible by 2. Number 3, 1,769 is not divisible by 2. Number 4, 3,242 is divisible by 2. Number 5, 7,653 is not divisible by 2.